Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more subscribers on Substack. First, let's talk about defining your niche. It's crucial to pinpoint a very specific audience and topic for your newsletter. Think about what makes your voice unique and how you can offer a fresh perspective. Understanding your ideal reader's interests and pain points will help you tailor content that truly resonates, making them more likely to subscribe and stay engaged with your work. Next, focus on creating truly high-quality content. Consistency is key, so aim to publish valuable, well-researched, and engaging posts regularly. Consider offering a strategic mix of free and paid content, perhaps 80% free and 20% paid, to entice new readers while rewarding loyal subscribers. Maintaining a regular publishing schedule, like 1 to 2 times weekly, builds anticipation and keeps your audience coming back for more. Now, let's discuss promoting your newsletter effectively. Don't just publish and hope. Actively share your posts across various social media platforms and relevant online communities. Consider collaborating with other writers in your niche for cross-promotion, reaching new audiences. Also, encourage your existing readers to share your content with their networks. A personal recommendation is incredibly powerful, often leading to a 20% higher conversion rate for new subscribers. Finally, engaging your audience is paramount for long-term growth. Make an effort to respond to comments and foster a vibrant sense of community among your readers. Actively ask for feedback and genuinely consider incorporating reader suggestions into your content strategy. Hosting interactive Q&A sessions or discussions can build deeper connections, transforming casual readers into dedicated fans and advocates for your Substack, leading to sustained subscriber growth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.